Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. For today's video, we'll be traveling to Ilocos. Yay! I'm just waiting for my companions, my brother Alvin and sister-in-law Lai. So they're on their way now here in our place. Let's go! They're now here and palis na kami. Going to Ilocos. And with Reggie, Lai, Raquel, Alvin. Yeah, let's go. Stop over here for lunch nila. Pero sila nag-lunch. Go order. So we're now here in Pasig. Apparently, tomorrow pa pala kami mabiyahe pa Ilocos. So, rest muna kami dito for a night. Then, biyahe ng madaling araw siguro or umaga. See ya. So, after dinner, nagaya naman yung brother ng sister-in-law ko to have coffee. Yan, napunta kami dito sa SB Circulo Verde. After our coffee session, we went back to the house and to have our good night rest. See you tomorrow. We're now about to leave Pasig. Terang di na muulan. See you later, Ilocos. Now resume our travel going to Ilocos. Mawasan ng isa. Tala kami. Before bumiyahe, dumaan muna kami sa isa sa mga aunties nila, sila Auntie Pilar, to eat. We're about to enter Balintawak Plaza. Namabalot ng ulap. Pero wala nang ulan dito. After San Simon, heading toward San Fernando. After a short stopover, ito, nakita pa namin si Minnie Mouse. Walang duty sa ano?
Thank you.
Sa Hollywood. Wala, video lang.
Video lang ba?
Ang laki pa.
Kumuha pa pa.
Now entering SCTEX. Now entering T-Flex. Wala masyadong OBI. Natakot yata sa bagyong Maymay. Sobrang lakas na ng ulan dito sa Binalonan, Pangasinan. Kanina wala namang ulan. Now leaving T-Flex, Rosario exit. Quick toilet break here in Rosario, La Union. Medyo maulan pa rin talaga. We're now resuming travel going to Ilocos from Rosario, La Union. And wala nang heavy rain, thank Lord. We are currently here in Agoo, La Union. And umulan na naman na malakas. Yan. Tila na ulit yung ulan. We're here in Bawang, La Union. To travel for hours Ilocos Sur. Town of Tagudin. Walang ulan. Sana hanggang Ilocos Norte. Welcome to Santa Cruz, Ilocos Sur. Wala pa rin ulan. Santa Lucia, Ilocos Sur. Nice tree here in Candon, Ilocos. Welcome to Santiago, Ilocos Sur. Hours na lang bago dumating ng Batak, Ilocos Norte. From here, Santiago, Ilocos. Welcome to Narvacan, Ilocos Sur. Medyo maulan na naman. Just entered Santa, Ilocos Sur. Ayan, and the weather is nice na walang ulan. Just entered Bantay, Ilocos Sur. Ayan. Yes, di na umulan. Stop over here at Marcia's. Ayan, binili lang sila dito lang. Now here at Vegan, nag-quick toilet break lang dito sa Caltex. So we'll resume traveling to Batak, Ilocos Norte. See ya. Medyo nag-tame na yung ulan. And we're currently here in San Juan, Ilocos Sur, heading towards Batak, Ilocos Norte. Medyo nag-tame na yung ulan. And we're currently here in San Juan, Ilocos Sur, heading towards Batak, Ilocos Norte. Welcome to Sinaid, Ilocos Sur. Very nice weather. Here's the famous art of the welcome into Ilocos Norte. 30 minutes to go to our destination, Batak, Ilocos Norte. Just entered Badok, Ilocos Norte. Finally, we arrived here at our destination. Silaw Libed Mansion. This is where we're gonna stay for a few days. Let's go inside. Very nice. I'm back after almost 1 year. Yeah, now here inside. So this is the dining area and the garage there. So later pasok tayo sa loob. So now maghiga. See ya. Ayan pala yung bit-bit namin. Oh. Ayan, pinagbibili ni Reggie. Gamit sa salon niya. Parang shower chair and iba pang gamit. So this is the house. Diyan kami mamaya papasok. This is the dining area ni Silay, my sister-in-law. We're now inside the house and dito ako matutulog. Yan sila Lai. O si Alvin. Baka dito ko na rin tapusin ang ating video for this day. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. See you on my next vlog. Bye!